friends, welcome to our Enable Machine Solution. In this video or in this video series tutorial, we will learn from beginning to advanced level Red Hat Linux. So first, in this video, we will learn how to install Red Hat Linux in VMware. So then browse. This is the rhel 8, which is latest version, and then next Linux, and then next rhel 8, next 20 GB size, next finish. So basically we are going to start Red Hat 8 on VMware. So this is the Red Hat Linux 8. Install Red Hat Linux 8.0. We will learn each and everything how to install, what is file system, what is files, what is directory, and how to use the Linux operating system, how to what is the booting process, what is grub, what is kernel, what is Linux, and how you can use it in your daily life, how you can use it in your professional life, and what about the servers and many more servers which are going on Linux, because this world is the Linux world and everything is running on Linux. World's 90% things which are running in Linux operating system. So most of the person and most of the companies are using the Linux operating system, and Red Hat is a most famous operating system of Linux based operating system. Basically in the market there are several kind of Linux based operating systems are available, like basically we can say Ubuntu, that is Debian based Linux, Kali Linux, that is also Debian based Linux, CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, these are the RPM based Linux. So here we have to choose the language according to you and then continue. It will take some time, and then here you have to select the installation source and the software selection. So we are going to install the server with GUI. That means we are installing the GUI interface, that means graphical user interface. If you don't want to graphical user interface, so you can use the minimal installation, that is basic installation, and click on done. Now installation destination. So here is the partition, so custom, done. You want to LVM or standard. LVM is a logical volume manager, and here we have a standard partition, so we are going to create the standard partition, right? So one is slash boot, and you can assign for the slash boot is 500 MB, and next for the swap for 2 GB, this is the minimum requirement, and the rest amount size of slash, which is your entire file system. So we are not going to decide that how much size you want to define. So without defining any size, so it will take all the size which are available, and this is the file system of each. So For the swap is like a virtual RAM. In Linux based operating system, we have to create a swap partition minimum of 2 GB. So yes, accept changes and then begin the installation. Now the installation is started. Now we have to set the root password. So here I'm going to set the root password and done. If you want to create any user by yourself, so you can create the user from here. Otherwise you can also create the user or also make any user after the installation. So it will take some time, and after the time period you are able to see your Linux Red Hat 8.0 is installed. After the installation we will learn how to use by step. Thank you for watching Vulnerable Machine Solution. This is the installation of